fault. It's in dog form. You wouldn't notice. It's stuck to its fur.
Great haircuts on these dogs.
Haircut? It doesn't look like he's gotten one in like years.
One of the most beloved of these is the Irish Wheaten Terrier, or as it is known
Oh,
here,
it's
the
a
soft-coated Wheaten
fuzzy.
Terrier. He was used in Ireland as an all-around farm dog and small game hunter.
He's got a beard.
Combining the steadiness of a working dog with the intelligence of a terrier. This is soft-coated Wheaten Terrier, number 18.
He's a pretty dog.
Popular terrier. They have a single coat, it's kind of soft and silky, which really sets it apart.
But.
It's supposed to be a square, medium-sized dog, maybe 30 to 40 pounds. This is Bogey, a year-and-a-half-old male from Rockford, Illinois. Gwen Meyer handling.
He's got a big like fuzz on his head. Fuzzy! It's like I can't get the fuzz out of my face. Can't see you.
Staffordshire Bull Terrier is a muscular and intelligent breed originating in the coal mining country of England. Originally bred to be a fast, courageous dog with great strength for his small size, he is best known today for his outstanding athletic ability, steady and dependable nature, and love.
Hey, it's a hot dog.
This is Staffordshire Bull Terrier, number 11.
He better be a winner. He's my favorite number.
His name is Bob.
Bob, booyah!
5-year-old male from Bourne, Texas. Adrian Owen is the handler.
Oh, I got your thing for Facebook, but right now I don't accept because my mom will just use that to go on and check out my Facebook. That's the only reason I haven't accepted that.
Give the dog a chance.